good, YouTube? It's your boy GGkevoh in this. You know the word.
Yeah, new age shit. Yeah. Forever, the name, new age shit. We gon' go from Boston.
But it's your boy Kevo. And today, as y'all can see, this video is gonna be prolonged. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's not gonna be prolonged, but it's gonna be throughout a couple days, probably a day or so. Today I am gonna be taking out my headliner and I am gonna be putting in Starlights. Y'all already know I'm putting in Starlights, boy. I can't wait for this, bro. I literally cannot wait for this. As y'all know, I already have my whole dashboard, my footwell already installed, and they're all synced up and everything. This is gonna be a task though, to sync up this. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's gonna be hard for me to do it, but I'm gonna try my best. So I'm not gonna give y'all a step-by-step, because if y'all want a step-by-step, y'all can go step-by-step, watch a different video. I'm lying to you. I might just show y'all like, oh yeah, I took off this, you know, I took off my headliner, I took off, you know, shit like that. That's what I'm gonna do. So basically it will be a step-by-step, but it's not really gonna be a step-by-step because I'm gonna show y'all what I did, you know. I'm not gonna give y'all like exactly how to do it, stuff like that. There's other videos. I can link another video if that's what y'all want. If that's what y'all want me to do. But I'm gonna get this shit started because I want to get this done. So first, I'm gonna take off this headliner, and I'll be back once I'm done taking off the headliner. All right, YouTube. So we do have the headliner out of the car. There is no bends, no cracks, none of that. I got it out all by myself. I did move the seat back up, but you would have to put this seat up to the steering wheel, push it all the way forward, and then you can pull it out through passenger or the driver's side back door. And that's basically how you would get it out. You would have to go back and forth adjusting where you would go. But for me, right now, what I'm gonna do, I am very, I don't know what to fucking call it. I'm one of those people, I like putting shit back where it was. Back where it was, basically where I found it, so I don't have to think about it when I do get back in the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my visors and stuff back on here. It may be stupid, but that's just me, and that's the way I want my car. So I'm gonna put it back on here, so I don't have to worry about it, and I don't have to worry about losing any screws or anything when I have to put all this back together. I can just unscrew it, put it back in, shit like that. I don't know if any of these supposed to be rusty, bro. I feel like these should be like clean. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, I feel like none of these fucking airbag shit should be fucking rusty at all. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back once I got this shit inside and done. All right, YouTube. So now I have 460 placed all over randomly throughout here. I'm gonna try, see if I can put my name in there. Hopefully, if it works out, it works out. If not, I'll just redo it and then put something else right there where there's randomly disperse those out. But 460 now, I just gotta make sure I put in the fibers all around this and glue them down, and then hook it up, put it in the car. So, all right, YouTube. So we are back. I got the headliner back in the car already. I still have to cut it. That's all I got to do. But got the headliner back in the car. Now I'm just feeding it all to the trunk so I can wire it into the battery, well, into the fuse box. That goes to the battery, shit like that. And then I got to put this all back up. So first I'm going to put this back up into the car, and then I'm going to wire it to the back. All right, YouTube, so we are back. It is the next day. I finished it last night, but I got so fucking tired, bro. after doing that I went inside and went straight to sleep. Didn't even think about fucking recording the rest of the video. I ain't gonna lie to you. But we are done now. As y'all can see, we looking good in here. I tucked everything back in. There is no creases, no nothing in here at all, bro. Some of them I cut them a little bit too short, and some of them I have to get probably like a flatter wire cutter so they could be flush and they ain't poking when you touch the ceiling, if that makes sense. But other than that, it came out extremely good. I really do love it. Like, I really do love this shit. Like, I really want to go show off my car right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But besides for that, it took me, I guess you could say 24 hours and probably a half a day. Well, 24 hours basically to do it. So it took me one full day to install the lights and poke everything in, shit like that. And then it took me probably like 5 hours to have everything installed. Was they taking pictures, bruh? Anyways, my bad, I got sidetracked. But it took me a whole day and then probably like 5 hours max to have everything installed and ready to go. Besides for that, everything is good. It looks good. I don't know what other mod I'm gonna be doing next, but if you have any suggestions of what I should get, or a video that you want me to do next, drop it down in the comment section and I will for sure do it for you. Don't worry, I will pump that video out. I swear to God, I'll pump that video out. If y'all ask me what video, if y'all tell me what video I want me to do, I will make sure I get that video out probably within like 2 days. Most likely 2 days. But that is the end of this video. We gon' end the video here. That's a nice ass Durango. We're gonna end the video here and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.